Good afternoon, and today I will be fixing some new wheel caps in my newly procured pre-owned Ritz. I have procured these wheel caps from OLX at a very cheap rate. In fact, I have purchased 4 new rims and 4 caps all at 2000 rupees, which is a very good deal. So today I won't be replacing the rims at this moment, as it will involve a tire shop. So today I will install the wheel caps. So let me show you how to install wheel caps in your car. So in this way you fit your wheel caps, and always ensure that your tire nozzle is at this particular groove, otherwise you won't be able to feel your tire pressure, so please keep in mind. Now let us fit the other wheels. Very simple, this press type of locks. Just press it with some pressure. So the right side rear passenger wheel. So all the 4 wheels have been completed, and let us see how it looks. All the 4 wheels, and it's giving the car a new fresh look, and in this way you can easily change your wheel caps. I will always prefer the OEM wheel caps, as they are sturdy and they can withstand car brushes or anything like that very easily. And not only that, they don't fall off when the car goes over a pothole or anything like that. So I have purchased these wheel caps at a very cheap rate from the OLX. In fact, the guy has purchased a new set of alloys. So all the wheel caps are absolutely new. So thank you, friends. And if you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.